They point with fingers, they're proud and loud. At what they don't know, their thoughts shrouded in doubt. Does it exist, they ask, with certainty clear? If it's not in the book, then it's nothing to fear. Their world is so small, neat and confined. Each box checked off, with their souls all aligned. Non-binary souls, just moving through air, embracing the light, leaving shadows in despair. But it's not here, they say, trembling with fright. Truth doesn't vanish just 'cause it's out of sight. But once a known name is finally spoken, a voice from the silence, the chains have been broken. So open your mind, see beyond what you see. The truth's in the whispers, the notes in the breeze. We're breaking the chains, we're rewriting the game, finding freedom in places where nothing's the same. So lift your eyes, let your heart engage. There's more to the world than the lines on a page. What's real isn't limited, doesn't need fame. Open your heart, it's all part of the same. So open your mind, see beyond what you see. The truth's in the whispers, the notes in the breeze. We're breaking the chains, we're rewriting the game, finding freedom plays where nothing's the same.